Catch southwest, ah. Wait. Ah, they're downhill. Come back. Put check.
POC?
No, not yet.
So far, the most
Come back.
intense was playing Rogue Keeper, but that was kind of tough to control because I didn't get any kills on it.
I need to look for their shot caller.
I played Rogue Keeper.
Is Vicky is already here, okay.
It's King Ogi, I think. King Ogi was in the party.
Some of
Look
them
on northwest,
T7
ah.
only.
Come. Look on northwest, ah. Look on northwest.
No, what?
Northwest is 5, 4. Yeah, fuck, they're too far.
Oh my god.
This one!
No, it's Western Paradise.
Oh, Western.
Fantastic.
Let me tell you something.
Ah, okay.
Only
John. What the?
guys,
Henry
listen. Yo guys, listen. Only D10 need to talk, need information to the caller. The rest of it, do not talking when we engage. Do not talking when we fight.
Do not say, oh, I kill one.
Yeah. Do not shout about that.
Yeah,
Only
Western is dismounted on Northwest.
Western?
Yeah, dismounted.
Are they
Just,
proper? Are they proper?
Maybe, but cheaters.
Can you check? Probably bomb.
I saw them T6 and T7 only.
Kamis.
F7.
Only
OC.
97.
Kamis.
That's a,
Yeah.
Polar, oh. X-Beat.
Yeah. I mark him. Look northeast, ah. Northeast over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast over the wall. Kill this guy. Okay, go back. Careful, yeah. Okay, jackets if you have. Key.
Do not clamp. Do not clamp in the...
Let's clamp out.
Damn.
Spread.
Ready? Wait. I'm gonna pick Q and W only. Wait. Notice Q and W only in 5. Wait. Q and W only, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Q and W only. Go back. Fine. Look at the stairs. Dip. Look at the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the stairs. It's stairs. Kill them. Nice. Kill this one guy. Kill that one guy. Oh, go back. Go back. Jacket. Go west. Take the space on west.
Heal me. Pew.
Okay. I think they're getting hit. Come notice. Look on notice. Come notice. Look on notice. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice. Damage. Nice. Go back. Cleanse in front. Go back. Dip tank. Go back. Gupta. Good boy. Okay, hold. Come notice. They're trying to mount up. Western Paradise is bombing them.
Yeah.
Go back.
Yeah, we have yet to see, by the way.
Go back. Yeah, we have
Drop
it.
it. Don't overheat, please.
Do not necessarily heal because we will get healing sickness.
Come notice now.
We're not still,
Wait. Hold. Go back. It's fine.
They engaged Western, I think. On this side. They have bomb squad.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, bridal.
Looking on the wall, They were wala.
Yeah. Just take the space of Southwest. Gupta. Do not get curious. Boys. It's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna
Western on
fake.
interstate east side.
I'm gonna fake Q and W only, shallow. Gonna fake Q and W only, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Q and W only. Go back. What's that, Western?
Yeah,
Western
no,
Paradise is sleeping,
Southeast.
Yeah, wait.
Western is mounted.
Yeah.
I have on item.
Come back southwest, come back southwest, come back southwest.
Just,
come back southwest.
go to the theory
Just pull them in, just pull them in, just pull them in, just pull them in.
I want to see Henry Chan, so I can talk to him.
Henry in Western?
Yeah.
The chat is gonna be
Do not hit Western Paradise, ah.
for just a couple minutes. Now you can I don't want to
Sinasabi.
the numbers. You can only like
Where are they?
10 seconds.
Stay downstairs.
Yeah, still on the
They're down, they're down.
Come back,
Eating.
come back.
They're eating,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
eating.
Come back. Be ready.
The tanks are moving up. The tanks are moving up.
Be ready, ah. QW only, ah. QW only shallow. Wait. QW only shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. QW only. Oh, fuck. I miss. Go back. QW only. Ready northeast. Wait. Ready northeast. In 5. Northeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. On me. Okay, go back. Nice, one kill. Go back. Help Monarch. Heal Monarch. Help. Cleanse in front, boys. Cleanse in front. Come back. Heal. Heal Blab and heal Monarch. Heal Blab and heal Monarch. Tell me ready.
Ready. Catching.
What? Western Paradise hitting us?
Oh, they're catching us. They're catching us.
Come west.
I where to try.
Come west. Just move.
Dropping mana.
They're moving out, bro.
No one died.
No one. I need an eye on Isa on the Western Paradise. Look, Northeast QNW only. Wait. I'm gonna take a QNW only Northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. QNW only. Go back. Ready inside us, ah. Inside us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us. Kill this guy. Unlucky. Go back. Hit up him. He doesn't have gig pads, ah.
Sorry.
Jacket. Alay, man.
3 second.
Yeah.
DPS 3 second.
Come southwest.
HOG ready.
Yeah, come back. Yeah. Come north. Wait. Come northwest. Come northeast. Come northwest. Come northwest.
Southeast, Papaya Pokpok Gangers.
Yeah. Come northeast. Look on northeast, ah. Northeast. Northwest. Northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Kill these people. Unlucky. Who is that?
We killed one.
Yeah. Take the space on south. Wait. Spread. Tell me Freddy.
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Look on northwest, ah. Wait. Spread. They're looking. Spread. They want to headbutt. Spread. This is taking so much time. Come southeast. Go inside. Careful, they're looking. Come southeast. We are defending, it's fine. Look northwest over the wall. West over the wall. Wait. West over the wall, wait. West over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, west over the wall. Damage. Okay, go back. Cleanse, cleanse, ah. Cleanse in front. Be ready. Giga. Heal light armor. Ready inside us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Hit inside. Nice. Kill the people inside. Go back. Do not clap up. Go back. Nice hit. No one died on us, right?
No one.
I think no one.
Roll jacket mana. Okay.
Dropping in 4 seconds.
Okay. Look northwest, ah. Wait. Look northwest. Walk. Look northwest. In 5, northwest in 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest. Huge. Damage. More damage.
Ready, Demon.
Nice. Go back now.
Do not clamp. Spread.
Fine. They're far. Tell me, Freddy, ah.
Energy.
Second, 3 seconds. Yeah, ready.
Okay. I'm gonna fake QNW only, ah. QNW only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. QNW only. Okay, go back. They wasted some. Go back. Oh, okay, no root bound. Dep. Walk. Look northwest. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Huge. Damage. Oh my God, they're wipe. Push. Wait. Slowly. They have. Come back.
Spread inside.
Time me ready.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Okay. There.
Control your adrenaline, guys.
Yeah. Ready northwest, ah. QW only northwest. 5. Wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. QW only. Okay, they don't have root bound. Up to wait. Okay, wait. Dep. Look inside. Northwest. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Shoot again. Damage. Unlucky. Okay. Go back. It's fine. We have one kill. It's fine. QW, these guys. Kidnap them. Go back. Slowly. Come southeast. Breathing. Come southeast.
Doing good, guys.
9 seconds. Go on,
Guys,
RJ.
Come northeast. What is that? Western Paradise? Was that Western? Yeah, Western.
Yeah, there's Mr.
Dropping mana.
Bomb, Western energy shaper bomb on the north side.
Yo, look on north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north. Oh, okay, fuck, shit.
The shaper bomb went towards east.
We going
Yeah.
We have
D7,
3
shipper.
DA on. They have 3 DA only.
Yeah, they lost a lot.
16 to 3? What the fuck?
They living.
Big gun?
No. Look, go back.
I think they waiting for their
Stay inside.
Wait. No.
I don't think I can fight a group.
QW only northwest, ah. Glabs. Please kidnap this guy. And the skull mark. QW only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. QW. And then kidnap him. Okay, he doesn't have giga. Wait. Try to kidnap him, ah.
They looking.
Yeah, it's fine. Come notice.
No boots for ano.
Go back.
RJ, you have
You should
Kidnap northwest, ah. In the skull mark again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kidnap. After cleric. Wait. I'm gonna fake again. Fake. Nice. Kidnap him. He doesn't have any. Ready northwest. Wait. Ready northwest. Northwest shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest shallow. Nice. Go back. Cleanse the front line. Guard rune. Come back.
Ready Demon on front.
Nice. It's fine. They doesn't have any. Look on north. North to the sky mark. Come.
5 seconds. Wait. Ready now.
Northwest downhill. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest downhill. Shoot. Kill them. Kill them. They're running.
one of them, and the other one was still a little bit far away.
Push. Slowly. They can counter. Kidnap this guy. Skull mark. Kidnap the skull mark. Slow him down. Kidnap the skull mark, guys. On the skull mark. Inside us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The skull mark. This is their shot caller. Nice. Catch and kill. Loot and catch. You're fucking looter, bro.
Players, they are also the good source of stacks.
You know, tell them to loot.
And they're still living out
Come east. Where are they?
revenge
They far?
bunnies are
Careful, so they're on east.
Yeah. Keep on walking. Careful, Be careful on the Western Paradise. Come southwest. Stop chasing.
I was planning to do.
Careful on the Western Paradise, Careful on the Western Paradise.
Yeah, hard.
Walk with me.
Yeah. You can also hard. Excellent. Yeah. Bunny can also help parents here. Like this is a proper.
Yeah, in our
They are
in our
proper
bunk.
enough where they invited the dude. And
Western in what is this?
be a healer because we are
Western, and I'm checking with.
such difficult
Them,
fights
they're
that
fighting
we
them.
need a healer.
Enrichan said,
Like a
we wiped
regular
them.
casual gang club doesn't need a healer. They need a healer because they want to
I don't see the.
I'm sorry.
but they need a healer because
Find
We
me.
are overgeared. I'm fucking expecting them to wear tier 8, tier 9.
Yeah, overgeared, bro.
E groups, for example, usually, like proper small scale groups that come from roads and
Are we,
Yeah,
are
cheaters.
we...
Bro, we have OC, man. I hope nothing break.
Yeah. Yo, walk with me, boys. Come.
So they
west.
know how we go
Go
TR.
back to the... so they will not hit
Mia,
us anymore.
Mia.
1.2.
The guys are asking for FF.
Okay, Great Axe is
Who?
definitely
The blob.
most profitable.
The blob.
West Bank.
This blob.
Blob?
Yeah,
West
they're asking
Paradise?
FF.
Maybe
Yeah,
they
they're
gonna
asking
touch you, ah.
they wanna
Tell them we gonna bunk first.
Yeah, talk, bro. Then chat.
Turns out it is
Ano
I
pong chat?
who is ganking.
They're dismounted.
Oh,
Okay.
what's happening? Tier
Some of them are dismounted.
No.
Go back. They catching.
What are these?
Mother.
They get a first fight.
Yeah, I didn't change that.
Come southwest. Wait.
That's,
Oh,
What do you
Mia,
want to do?
try to find their collar and talk with him. That's way better,
yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, 1v1.
Go back.
Two guy. Fucking Great Axe.
Okay, they are coming, Mia. Run.
Great Axe
Mia.
is a whole weapon.
They
But
are...
on these nuts,
Mia, move.
Yeah, I know.
They don't care, they don't care.
I should have.
They don't care.
I am overcharged.
Dismount inside the terry, be careful. Dismount inside the terry, we fight.
Enrichan said they wanna to catch us.
Even better, I should have unequipped everything. Just keep.
The problem is
How did I-
space.
That's
The
worse
problem
than
is
the overcharge.
be ready for cleanse, Be ready for
I
cleanse.
should have kept only the soldier armor to go into the kill
Come
board.
southeast.
That I kill them just with soldier armor.
I don't see
They're
the
dismounted.
probably the perma.
Okay,
They have GA.
missed the.
Hey,
Wala.
Okay.
They GA me. Kill that guy!
Great.
Careful over the wall, Careful over the wall. Kill him.
overextending motherfucker.
Kill this guy! Kill him! Kill! Lost
One more.
Okay, where are they?
Visitors. That's
The fuck? What the fuck is that guy doing inside the blob?
maybe I'm not.
Slowly.
His invis went on top of us, bro.
Yeah.
Unlucky guy.
He was pretty low.
This one there, caller.
Let's just
Careful.
One up.
Cleanse trees,
please no.
Look northeast, look in east. Q&W only on east. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Q&W only. Go back. Cleanse. Come southeast now. Come southeast. You go southeast, Wait. Southwest. Look at southwest. Southwest. In 5,
Miss
4,
Pierre, Miss
3,
Pierre.
2, 1, southwest. I did not touch any.
Miss
Go back,
Pierre
go back.
Gucci, 7.
QW inside us. Catch this guy. Lucky he managed to blink. Go back.
It's almost like they know.
Nice cleanse.
5 seconds. DPS
Yeah.
5 seconds.
You want me GA then engage
I
GA?
guess I'm just playing.
No, just defensive.
I can
Okay.
start back. Just to cash in.
Normal, oh.
They're looking. Nice. Come southeast. Look at southeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Nice. Kill this guy. Kill the caller. Cleanse him. Kill this guy. Kill the caller. Be ready, ah. Nice. Keep on walking southeast now.
Batting.
Mm.
Up.
Ito, longbow, Gucci.
Longbow, kill the longbow. Kill the longbow. Kill the longbow.
Gucci.
Nice.
Wherever
Come
I want
southeast.
to go from there, I have to go from that.
Fuck you, dog.
Dismounted and gone in this. Go out quickly.
Kill this guy as well.
What the fuck are they doing?
Bonus for us.
Are they blind?
Bonus fun. But we are outlaw because of that.
Yeah, I mean. Do we have
Come
mana?
northwest. We're gonna go
Mount up.
northwest, yeah. Mount up. And then go northwest.
Henry Chan said thank you for the content.
Tell him